Yes, good morning, guys. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Master Daniel. So today we are going to be talking about how you can make free call online. How you can make free calls online. So you can actually call any international number wherever you are. So not only to make free calls, you can send free SMS. You can send you can send files, free files. You can share files with friends. So with this website. So now, don't forget to like this if you are joining me for the first time. So please subscribe, click the like button and share the videos with your friends so that they too can have this information. So now let's move on to the business. Actually, the website doesn't support all the country in the whole world, but there are some certain countries that are exempted from this that this website doesn't work with. So we are going to look at those countries. If you are living in those countries, then I congratulate you. So you can make use of this website wherever you are right now. So let's move on. So you are going to open your browser. So we're going to be making use of this browser. So Firefox, actually you can use any browser. It supports any browser. So let's move on. So you're on your data. So you click on that. So actually this is the name of so I will go back. Let's go back. Sorry, let me clean the browser. So the site is GlobFone. GlobFone. Sorry. GlobFone. Yeah. So can you see that now? So these are the things a lot of things you can see, from call phones, free internet phone calls, online phone calls, video chats, call for free for SMS, and so on and so forth. So now let's move on to click the website and log in and look at it. Now you don't need to log in, you don't need to sign up, you don't need an email, anything like that. So it's just a free home page. So now let's look at it now. So we want to make although I'm in Nigeria right now, so I can't make use of all this, but I will just guide you on if you are in the country where you can use this website to make calls. So I will just guide you on what to do. So for example, now let's say we want to make calls now. Let's say we want to make calls. So here the first thing now is look at it now. These are the countries. Can you see them now? So can you see the countries here now? So we have them as US. So make free calls to USA, India, UK, and many other countries. So like that. So the first thing is to put in your name. Let me see. And click next. So wait for the page to load. Now let's look at the supported countries. We have Austria. So to can you see them down here? To Vietnam. So these are the supported country. So if I actually in any of this country, you can make use of this website just to make free call, make free SMS, and so on and so forth. So I'm in Nigeria, so I can't use the website right now. So but if you're in any of those countries, so you can make use of it. So these are the steps you must follow in making this a free call. So use inappropriate internet browser. So the step 2, permission dialog box. Step 3, audio devices. Step 4, call phone, use country list. So your country, it must support your country. So that is that about that. So thank you very much for being with me. So just click the like and subscription button so that whenever I post any videos, can be notified by YouTube. So thank you very much. See you in my next video.